Hello, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to make a subpage in Wix. So let's get started. When you are logged in Wix and you are into your website editor, you will go to your Pages and Menu tab. When you click Pages and Menu, here you will have your site menu and all your sites. To make a subpage, like I want to do my about to be in my home subpage, you will just click on it, hold it, and when you have this, you will just pull it to the desired page that you want. I will pull it to the home page, and when I connect it, it will be the sub page. You can see that it's connected like a sub page. And guys, that is how you make a sub page in Wix. So if you like this quick tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe. If you need something, just ask us in the comments or visit our YouTube channel down below for any other tutorial from Wix or anything else that you wanna see or need. So guys, I hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye!